Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to have to be a two-part video. Unfortunately, the Screen-O-Matic recorder I use only allows for 15-minute videos. So we're going to wrap things up with this part two. Welcome back. We're going to do our conclusion for Razor and Blade. Sustainable revenue stream is huge in this. Like with Gillette, the blades are where the money's at. Customers have to continue to purchase blades after usage, which creates a revenue stream that goes, for quite some time. The customer loyalty and lock-in effect is basically a big thing and a big part of this. Customers are loyal because their product's good. Their product does what it is designed to do every single time, and they don't have any complaints with it. It doesn't break while using a Gillette razor. They're built to last, basically. Another conclusion I found from this was the opportunity for upselling and diversification. There is, in this razor and blade model, opportunities for lucrative businesses to upsell these blades. Gillette could sell their blades for $50 a piece, and people would probably not buy them as much. But there is the ability for a monopoly market for the company to potentially sell the second part to that product for a very hefty price. The next slide is a link to my personal project, Dillsborough River Company business model. It's a final PFD document if you'd like to look at it. Similarities and differences between these two businesses. Similarities is they're both customer focused. Rafting's customer focused, so is Gillette. It's a product service directly to a customer. Other similarities include recurring revenue model, brand reputation. Gillette is known for the brand, and Wentworth Rafting is known for its brand, right? You can't really cross the two. And also, in terms of revenue models, Gillette has the same revenue model. Rafting's revenue model is a little different. It's more seasonal based, but it's all consistent, and that's kind of where I'm getting at. I'm sure Gillette has numbers on, when they sell the most blades, when they sell the least amount of blades, and how many blades they average every month. Same thing goes with Rafting. They probably see how many people they put down each month, which months are high, which months are slow. Obviously, the summer months are probably high for that. The winter months are probably 0 to none because it's cold. Some differences, the nature of the service, obviously. One's a razor company, one's a service, whitewater rafting experience. Product longevity is a big one. There's not really a product in rafting. It's more of a service, but the products used for rafting last a long time. Higher cost, though. In terms of Gillette, the product itself, the razor will last a while, but the blades will not. They will oftentimes need to be replaced every 3 to 4 shaves. Some lessons learned in the razor and blades is that it highlights the value of customer loyalty and the potential for sustained profitability through continuous high margin sales, and the accessories and all the intangible parts that they can add to it. So that's pretty cool. I didn't really know that was a thing, and that's kind of what they were going for with it. I figured that that's just kind of a smart business strategy. That's something I learned. Future lessons. Future lesson is the razor and blade model taught me that the need for businesses to adapt to evolving consumer preferences and environmental concerns is a must. Companies must innovate in sustainable, economy-friendly consumables, leverage digital technologies for personalized customers' experience, and they remain in responding and changing to market demands to ensure the long-term success in a dynamic business landscape. With this, it's a lot of almost fast cash, so to speak. Here's a product that I can sell you for $1. That's awesome, but it doesn't work until you buy the $25 piece that goes with it. And, some people are going to be willing to do that. The product's awesome, but it's cheaply made, and it breaks. This is a good example that I like to use. So you're $26 in onto a product and it breaks. it's not well made, anything like that, what's going to end up happening is your customer base is going to be unhappy that they paid that much for that product and it breaks. That you're going to have a trend that goes up and straight down. You might make a lot of money fast, but over the long run, it's not sustainable. Here's my references, and thank you guys. I appreciate it.